Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome back to art class with Mr. Darby. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a bouquet of flowers with some long stem roses. So before we do though, I wanted to show you our succulent project that we did. Here's one of the examples that we had turned in. It looks great. It was made by Adeline. So let's grab our pencils and grab our papers and let's go make some long stem roses. To do this drawing today, I'm going to be turning my paper vertical, the tall way, so that I have more room to fit my roses. This is a very simple way of making roses. So we're going to make a spiral. In fact, we're going to make a few spirals. I want you to watch how I do it. So I'm going to start in the middle and just start spiraling around like this. That's probably the most difficult part. So now we're going to make our roses so they come down like this, on this side like a J, and then like a J on this side. Where the spiral ends here to the side, we're going to connect it where our bump is, where the flower comes together. And then at every point where the flower spiral comes out, we're going to make a line that goes down inside and hides. Like that. And then we'll put our little jagged parts of the leaves from when the bud is being formed with a zigzag line. Don't make it too perfect. Here. We'll do another one back here. And this one stops here, so I put the line down. This is going to go behind. And then this one is also going to overlap. Now inside our spiral, on each edge, we'll make our line going straight down inside the flower. Maybe we can see a little bit of that edge from the jagged part of the bud. Let's do another one over here. Spiral, spiral, and stop. I'm going to stop this one in the middle so I can draw my line coming down. And here, I can make my line coming in. And this one coming in and back out. Good. And then draw our lines down to the inside of the flower the whole way around. I've been working with kids for a long time. This is one of the easiest ways we can get them to draw roses. And naturally, you could fill your whole paper with these if you want to. I'm going to do one more back here, and maybe one here, and one here. So let's do them together. If I'm moving too fast for you, go ahead and pause the video so you can catch up. Now, we need a stem. So, let's make our bouquet wrapping paper so that you can hold the flowers safely, kind of like a wavy line. Here. And this will go off the page. They'll come down together and down together. And then we'll just add a few lines to look like creases from the folds in the paper. And at this point, all we need to do is add our stems. Don't make the stems too thick. There's some overlapping here. And then what do we do with the sides? We're going to add some leaves. So take our leaf, make a jagged edge, come back, and do a leaf on the other side. These are zigzags, like lightning bolts almost. In the middle you would put a crease or the line, one of the veins going down each leaf. This one you can't see so much, it's being overlapped, right? That's okay. And then we can actually take and put another leaf coming out back here. So let's just make a smaller one. And we'll put a line coming up. We can add hearts in the background. So let's add a heart real quick here to the background. So an upside down J. And the other side, it will be symmetrical. Let's add another one here. Overlapping is the key. It creates space. And then let's do another one here. So start with this side. And this side comes around and through and connects. You could write Happy Valentine's Day in here. You could write I love Mom. You write I love you Nana. Whatever you want to write. You can be creative with it. Let's go ahead and grab our markers and start coloring. All right, now all I need to do is pick my colors out and then I can get started. So I picked my colors out before. That way it's not a pain and it doesn't take me forever to figure out how I want to color this. Start with the lighter colors first. As you start with the lighter colors, you can always make this darker. So we're going to do some pinkish roses here, and here we go. Right then, we have our bouquet of flowers for Valentine's Day. Draw them, color them, make them beautiful, and give them to your mother. She wants to hear from you. Say something nice to her today. Thanks for drawing with me, and I look forward to drawing with you next time. I'll see you guys soon.